So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on this palette, please continue watching. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist and a professional makeup artist and a lover of all things theatrical. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Nude Medium Huda Beauty eye palette. Let's jump into it. Okay, so starting off, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Oh, it's nice and pigmented. It's more pigmented, honestly, than I thought it was gonna be going on, which is kind of nice. Now that that's laid down, I'm gonna go ahead in with my darker color. So we're gonna use this color right here and we're gonna lay that in the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and take this coppery color in the middle and I'm going to lay that on my lid. Okay, so it's a pretty color, but it's not laying down the way that I want it to. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and wet this brush and then keep applying it. Okay, wetting it made a huge difference. I really wanna see what this really pretty pinky shimmer looks like on, so I'm gonna pop that underneath. Now I'm gonna take my NYX liquid liner and I'm gonna draw a wing. Let's go ahead and pop on some lashes. And there is my completed look. Pretty simple, pretty easy to achieve. All right, so my thoughts on this palette. I truly love the smaller palettes because they're easy to travel with and they're nice to have in your kit. I love, love, love that this is a nude palette for medium skin tones, but also for darker skin tones. And I would even go as far as to say for light skin tones as well, because there's a few colors in here that would work really nicely with lighter skin tones. So I love the diversity of this palette. That's important to me morally, but it's also important to me to have a versatile palette like this in my kit because then I don't have to pack a ton of products. I thought the colors blended out really nicely, especially the mattes. I do kind of wish that this color here was a little bit darker. I feel like it looks dark in the pan and then when you put it on, it doesn't seem as deep on the skin. But I do still think that it's really pretty, so it's not a big deal. Also, this middle color, this copper color, is beautiful, it's stunning, but it did take some effort for me to actually pack it on the lid. I tried at first to just use a synthetic brush to blend it, and then I noticed it was not picking up enough product, so then I actually wet the brush, and it went on a little bit better, but I did have to kind of keep going in with it. So, as beautiful as this color is, and it is stunning, I do think that the formula could be worked out a little bit more. This color on the bottom, this shimmery shade, is also really beautiful. I think it's really stunning. It adds a nice little pop of color. And this one I actually didn't have to wet at all. It just glides on really nicely. So yeah, those are my thoughts on the medium nude palette. I really like it. I think it's really beautiful. Love the versatility of it. And yeah, I just love her products. I think she's great. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you did like it, can you do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? Also, if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. I upload videos weekly and I'd love to see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day. Bye!